Hey.
Hey. My name is Alex.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're at a sunflower festival. It's a first for the kid. We're at Blake's. This is like a staple of Romeo? What is it?
Armada.
Armada. Staple of Armada. And it's gonna be a great way to stay in shape. So I'm excited. Sit back, relax. Let's look at some sunflowers. Alright, I think I'm buying a cactus today. Oh, they're only $5? Absolutely. Necessity. Believe it or not, huge cactus guy. It's really hard to kill, so that's why I love him.
Should have just brought a backpack.
Oh, I was gonna. These just like sit on my face, really funny.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Let me see what that.
That'll be good.
I like this.
Yeah.
Am I smiling?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm getting every angle.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Give me like. Ready? Ready here and.
Sorry.
What are we about to do?
Smash some pulled pork.
Yeah.
I don't want these to ruin.
Show them. Oh.
Yes.
All right, let's get a first reaction bite.
I'm gonna get some coleslaw in it.
Daddy's slow barbecue. That was so hot. That's the thumbnail right there. You taking a massive bite.
I'm gonna take a bigger bite.
Let's see it. Oh yeah. Red. Oh, you had it.
Ready?
Yeah. How is it?
Okay.
What do you rate out of 10?
Like a 7.5.
7.5? All right, guys. I got a pulled pork sandwich. Should have went the way Alex did, but it's okay. Got the hot sauce on here. Gonna throw on some pics. And you forgot the pickle. All right, here we go. So we're decorated now. Here we go. One bite. Everybody knows the rules. Juicy, tasty. Is on my face. Feels like it's on my face. Yeah, I'm gonna go 7. I've had better. Oh God. Oh, I got that. It's on the camera stand. Looks like there's about a 50% chance it's gonna rain.
Look at how good that looks. I'll just act like I didn't know it. Good.
What'd you say?
I would cheat on my diet for this. That looks so good. It's probably lemon. There's chocolate chips in it.
I can't eat this, but This looks. Oh, that looks so cracked. I wish. What do you think? Are you gonna get the parfait?
I'm gonna get the parfait.
Are you ready? Gang, gang.
Oh, Mateo about that.
Hey. So we are back from the Sunflower Festival. It was a great time. I've never been to the Sunflower Festival before. We did have a special guest in the vlog, obviously. Do you want to tell them who you are?
My name is Alex. I'm Francesco's girlfriend.
No more single life. Officially taken on lockdown. So this is Alex. You're gonna see her a bunch on the channel. Did you have fun? Did you like the Sunflower Festival?
Yes, I did.
What'd you think? How would you rate the Sunflower Festival?
8.5 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10. Strong showing. It was my first time. Is this your first time?
My first time at Sunflower Festival.
Okay.
Yes.
We both of our first times a good time. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've been to the Sunflower Festival in Armada, comment down below, like the video, share with a friend or a homeless person. It doesn't matter. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on the post notifications. You know the drill. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day and night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless. That's going in as a blooper reel at the end.